Hey y'all, now your girl Ashirifia.allinone this. Come on, make we cook and chop la. On the menu today, I am going to show you guys how I make this quick, easy shrimp and broccoli garlic sauce. Here is our beautifully labeled ingredients. To get started, we are going to quickly boil our broccoli. We don't want to cook it through. We just want it to soften up just a little bit. Now, to get started with the shrimp, I have a little bit of salt, some pepper flakes, some black pepper, and some sesame seed oil. I'm going to mix all of this up. Oops, I dropped a shrimp. Pick it right back up. Now I'm going to set my shrimp aside, remove my broccoli and set it aside also. Now, once your broccoli comes out the boiling hot water, you can choose to give it an ice bath, meaning you put your broccoli in cold ice water to stop the cooking process, or you can just leave it like that depending on how crunchy you want your broccoli. Now that that is done, we are going to start the process of making the garlic sauce. Now I'm going to dice my onions, mace my garlic, chop up my green onions, and make my garlic sauce. So when I start my process of cooking my shrimp, broccoli, and my garlic sauce, is going to be quick. I don't have to stop to cut anything, nothing. Everything will be done, and you just add it as you go. Let's make our sauce, y'all. Add your lukewarm water. Mix it well. Make sure there's no lumps in your cornstarch. Add your soy sauce, your minced garlic, your leafy part of your green onions, because it has more flavors, and that is what you're looking for at the end. Leave the bottom part to use in your frying. Now, mix all of that up. Make sure you have enough water, or it's going to start to thicken once it's sitting down. Add a little bit of sesame seed oil, just so all that flavor goes through every process. Sit that down and let's start with the shrimp. Add a little bit of sesame oil. Now, you don't have to use sesame oil at this point if you don't want to. You can use any oil of your choice. But like I said, I am trying to maintain that same aroma and flavor throughout every process. So I am going to fry my shrimp a little bit. I don't want it to cook through all the way, because once I start adding everything together, I want my shrimp to take form then. The shrimps are looking, it smells, I have no words, but it's time for me to flip my shrimps because I don't want it to overcook. You see that pink rims around the tail of your shrimp? Once you see that, that's a sign that your shrimp is cooked on that side. My shrimps are cooked on both sides to my liking. I am going to take them out and set them aside. Now, in the same pan, I am going to add a little bit more of sesame seeds, add my onion, a little bit of garlic, my white part of my green onion, and saute that just a bit. My garlic, onion, and green onions are looking perfect. Adding my broccoli now to allow it to soak up some of this goodness, all this beautiful aroma and flavors. In goes my shrimp. Look how beautiful and vibrant this look. Now you can have it just like this. You don't need to add your sauce mixture. But trust me, that sauce mixture is going to take it up a notch. Now stir it all up to release all that cake of your cornstarch in the bottom. Gradually pour your sauce on there and mix it well. Now, over here, you can just choose to have it just like this or spice it up a little bit. You can add a little bit more salt, some seasoning of your choices, or you can just leave it like this. Oh my God, you guys should be here and take a whiff of this. It smells so good, so good, so good. Voila, this is it, y'all. Your shrimp, broccoli, and garlic sauce is done. We finished cuckoo. Come make we chop la. Now you can have this with so many other things. You can have it with white rice, some pasta, all kinds of pasta. Now I am going to have this with some spaghetti. It's leftover spaghetti, but you know, once you add a little water to your spaghetti and heat it up, it comes back to life. So let's serve our shrimp, broccoli, and garlic sauce on top of our spaghetti. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.